Hi, this is a webinar on how to use the Students and Group Cycler widget in the Reports tool in the ThinkWave system. This is a handy widget that would allow you to create a quick list of information on groups, such as a phone number list for the baseball team or a student list for the 4th grade. Since we'll need to preview the widget as we adjust the look of it, we'll need to create a report to save the widget to. Under the Reports tab and under Custom Reports, click Add Report. Then click Create New Report. And let's call this Demo, and organize it as one student per page. The layout is divided into 12 segments, but for this, we'll use it as a quick reference. So make it 12/12 for the row and the cell 12. You'll have to make the other cell 0, which will prompt you to delete it. Then click Save. Now we'll go to the Widget Designer by hovering over here. This will automatically create your first widget. We're going to need to create a couple different widgets to use this widget. First, let's create a table to display the group name. Call it Group Name. This will be a simple widget with one row and one column. Make sure you make it 12. And here we'll use the merge function. Merge functions are commands that allow you to automatically pull data such as grades. The instructions for the merge functions can be found here below the text window. This gives you the definitions for the basic functions. And below here you have the command descriptions and the variables available, and a sample. Now go down here to Group Sec Merge function and copy and paste it into the cell. Since this will be a header, we'll make it H2 here. Now click Save and let's create another widget by clicking the Add Widget button at the top left. We'll make it another table to display the student name, and for this example, we'll also display the telephone numbers. So let's call it Student Name and click Save. Make it 2 columns and 1 row. Make the first column 2 and the second column 10. For these, we'll use a couple more merge functions. For the first cell, we'll put in the student name. And for the next one, we'll put in the student phone number. Click Save and let's create another widget. We'll call this Students and Group Cycler and make it a Student and Group Cycler. Here you can select the context for the list. You have a choice between User Selected Class, User Selected Group, User Selected Combined, from Group Section Context, and from Group Context. We'll leave it in the default User Select. And here at the bottom, we'll add the student name widget that we already created. Then click Save. And now we'll create one last widget. This will be a column to display all the information. Call it Students and Group Column and make it a column. Then click Save. For the first widget, we'll put in the group name widget that we already created, then a half space, and finally the Students and Group Cycler. Then click Save, and let's preview it. To do this, go back to the Layout Designer by hovering here. Then add the Students and Group Column widget to the cell and click Save. Then open a new tab to ThinkWave and go to the Reports tab. And under Custom Reports, select Demo. Select the group that you want to view. For the first one, we'll just select all students. Then click Generate. And there, you have a quick list of students from a specific group that you want to select. In the upper left-hand side, click Configure, and let's select a different group. For this one, let's select Baseball. And there you go. And this is how you use the Students and Groups Cycler widget in the ThinkWave system. Thanks for watching.